So yeah, pretty cool. We got the Haagen-Dazs over here. There's the energy of the mall. Boom. All right, we got the big snow spot. Let's go. Discovered this spot today. We just discovered this today. Got all the snow and the people rocking the skis. Really cool, really cool. The glass isn't super clean, so we're looking through the glass here. But yeah, it must be pretty cold in there. Everybody's got their coats on and their pants. The ski lift, check out the ski lift. This guy's tired. I see people falling and stuff. There's the snowboards, the skis. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. To have this right here near New York City in New Jersey is pretty dope. It's like an outdoorsy kind of spot. Pretty awesome. So let's go over here. We can see a little bit on this side, a little more over here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. American Dream Mall, New Jersey. Yeah, I like this spot here, nice and loungy. Definitely a cool, like, loungy spot. You can bring your laptop and everything. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, so you could get let's get a view of it. It's very cool. It's nice and loungy here. Nice and loungy. I like the lighting. It's like going to like a fancy spot, fancy restaurant, you know? Pretty cool. Big snow, big snow. The big snow spot right here. Big bargains. It's pretty cool. They got some cool stuff here, it looks like. A little cooler in here. Nice temperature. Alright, oh, so back here they got, this is where you come in, I guess. I'm not going in now. Pretty cool. Alright. So that's where you go into, I guess, to the big snow place. To where the action is, the ski lifts and the snow. To do some skiing. Yeah, it's summertime, but wild. When you come here, it feels like winter. Pretty cool. Let's go, let's go. All right. This is a nice vibe right here. I really feel like I'm at like a party or something. Nice food, smells great. Got the H Market eatery down there, food hall. So what is this? I did not see this. This looks a little iffy. No, you can actually hang out here. That's kind of cool. I didn't see this before, so this is a little different. You gotta walk a little slow coming here. At first it just feels a little like, wow, what is this? Yeah, it's like a cool little hangout right here. You can rock a live stream just standing here, kind of. That's a live stream spot right there. Future note, live stream spot, maybe. That's a low-key live stream spot. Pretty cool. I do have my live stream equipment, but I didn't bring it in. We're not going to rock a live stream today. But future note, maybe, right there. Just literally just hang out. Pretty cool. All right. Got the donuts, ugly donuts. All right. Got the diner kebab right here. Kebabs done right. Okay. Yep, and we got all the games right here. Like the G.I. Joe, boom. G.I. Joe Battle Station. Got all the games right here. The Candyland Shake Bar, boom. Candyland Shake Bar right there. All right, let's stroll. Cotton candy game. All kinds of cool games here. All right. Let's go. So yeah, we could catch a nice view here. I didn't see this last time being here. So this is pretty wild. You can see a pretty wild view here of things. Let's see, can you see Manhattan? You can't see Manhattan from this side, I guess. But you can see, that's like, I think Route 3 or something like that. I could be wrong. Yeah, so look at that. The stadium, MetLife Stadium. Bam, right there. Pretty cool. So yeah, you can see MetLife Stadium. Wild. Okay, so you can walk there from here, like on that, I guess on that walkway. So it is across the highway. All right. But it's all pretty connected here. I'm guessing that's MetLife. It says Meadowlands over there, so yeah.